Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Epic Games Launcher for Fortnite updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading the Epic Games Launcher, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Epic Games Launcher download and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results, which should direct you to the official Epic Games website. Once on the website, look for the button that says Download Epic Games Launcher. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Once the file has downloaded, locate it in your computer's download folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. If prompted by your computer, confirm that you want to allow the installer to make changes. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Choose the installation location if needed or proceed with the default settings. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to launch the Epic Games Launcher. Click on the Launch button to open the application. If you already have an Epic Games account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. After logging in, locate Fortnite in your library or use the search bar. If Fortnite is not installed, click on the Install button to download the game. You can also check for any available updates by selecting Fortnite from your library. The Epic Games Launcher will automatically download and install any necessary updates. Once everything is up to date, you're ready to enjoy playing Fortnite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.